Okay, together with me is Ma'am Sharon. Dito kami sa ayan sa pad thai nila dito sa SMX, no. So together with me is Miss Sharon. Ayan, Miss Sharon Cuneta. It's not Miss Sharon Cuneta, si Ma'am
Sharon Hechanova po.
Ayan, natuwa naman ako kasi I love pad thai din. So when I was in Thailand and even in Singapore, I love pad thai. And also here in the Philippines, may mga nagbebenta rin ng mga pad thai, di ba? Para tong pansit, di ba?
Yeah.
Na masarap
Actually,
tong manamis na
Actually po,
maasim-asim.
si Pad Thai is Thai rice noodles. Stir-fried
Right.
po siya.
Okay.
Okay.
Yan. So, yes, ma'am. Kwentuhan mo kami, bakit ito ba ang nagustuhan ninyong gawing negosyo? Yan.
Well, for one, our owner, CEO, nakikita niyo po siya sa background.
Yeah.
That's Chef Mickey. She lived in Thailand for 10 years, 5 years in Bangkok, 5 years in Phuket.
Wow.
So, she also studied in a culinary school there until she became a Thai Grandmaster Chef.
Wow.
So, when she came home, kasi dun sa Bacolod, si Chef Mickey actually is originally from Bacolod. Nag-live lang siya sa Thailand for 10 years.
Right.
And then, umuwi siya sa Bacolod after staying there for more than 10 years. When she craved for Thai food, wala po siyang makita na authentic yung taste. Okay. So, that's why she developed parang nagkaroon siya ng idea. Supposedly, it's just for family consumption lang. But then, eventually nga, parang nagka-idea siya na why not make it, turn it into a business.
Right.
So, what happened was, yung recipe namin ng Pad Thai is the winning recipe of a contest way back in the 1930s when Thailand experienced a rice crisis.
Right.
So, nagpa-contest po sila doon ng pasarapan ng version. So, what we're using, the recipe is the winning recipe from that contest. Si Chef Mickey, she just tweaked it a bit, modified it a bit to suit the Filipino palate. So, you have our Pad Thai that's really, we can describe it as an explosion of flavors in your mouth.
Wow.
So, it's like sweet, tangy, sour, spicy, all of those na parang you keep coming back for more. Parang yung yung feeling na, oh my gosh, what's that flavor? Diba?
Wow.
Yung parang ganon.
Oo. So, meron pa tayong natira kanina, no? I think yung meron, habang lakarin natin yon, magkwentuhan tayo, Ma'am Sharon. And, ano pa ba ang in-offer ng Pad Thai na
Variants?
mga variants dito sa Pad Thai factory? Aside from the Pad Thai itself, do
Okay.
you also have some other products na in-offer?
Yes, dito po sa because we attended nga the expo here in SMX. So, back home in Bacolod, where we came from, where Pad Thai factory originated, we have other offerings in our kiosk at a local department store there. It's Love West department store. So we have other Thai food there as well. We have somtam, tom yum, satay.
Wow, may tom yum.
Yes po. Favorite yung tom yum.
Manghang yun, di ba? Na soup,
My
right?
favorite is somtam, yung papaya, green papaya salad.
Oh, yeah!
You should taste our version of it.
Yep.
Isa yun sa
Wow, I
pinabalik-balikan.
love it.
Yes
Para
po.
siyang di ba, parang ba yun sa atin dito?
Atsara. Yeah, pero siya?
papaya na manamis-namis.
Na spicy din na hindi ko ma-explain. Basta ang sarap. Ako actually, honestly, it was my first time to taste din ng Thai food, ng Pad Thai. At first, parang may pagka-weird siya. And then it grows on you. The flavor grows on you in such a way na
Tsaka may mga herbs kasi sila, di ba?
Nahanap-hanap mo siya. Yung pinaka-secret actually is the sauce. Yung sauce is composed of like 10 or more ingredients. Na secret yon ni Chef. And it took a while for her to develop and come up with the taste that we have right now.
Alright.
So parang hit and miss then of proportion ng ingredients until she came up with that explosive flavor that I was describing earlier.
Yeah, so you have the pad thai, you have the salad that you're saying. You call that what?
Somtam.
Somtam. And
The
then you have
tom
tom yum
is
soup.
parang
I
their
love
version
it.
of
Sinigang na they have that lime, right?
Yes,
Yung
lime.
na leaves na yan,
Yes.
di
Yan po
ba?
yung nag-add ng distinct
Yes,
flavor.
distinct flavor,
Yes po,
right?
yes po.
And what else? Do you still have other
Satay. We have...
Is that like the Indonesian satay? Yung chicken satay?
yeah, it's a Thai satay.
Oo, Thai
We
satay.
have chicken, we
Right.
have
You have beef or pork?
pork, beef satay, chicken satay, and what else we have? We have spring rolls.
Oh, spring
You
rolls.
should try the spring
Right.
rolls. And yung dip ng spring rolls talagang it complements the the
What do
taste.
you use for the wrap? Kasi special yan eh, di ba?
Yung siya, it's a rice paper, and then it has noodles inside. What do you call that?
Is it-
Satanghoy.
Oh, yeah.
Inside the Basta masarap.
So
Masarap siya.
nahuli ako dito sa second floor because I was in
First
downstairs, no? So dito, alam nyo, uwian na. This is the last day of the Franchise Asia Philippines 2023, and ito yung isa sa mga international cuisine
Yes.
franchise. One more, how much is to franchise the Pad Thai factory?
Actually, the franchise cost is 630,000. All in na po siya,
600K.
including the 199K na franchise fee. So,
Do you have the construction inclusive?
yes, in 2 to 3 months, we'll be constructing the booth for you. And then, including all the preparation. So, it takes 2 to 3 months to open a franchise.
2 to 3 months pa.
Yes,
Pwede bang
po.
mapabilis yan kung gusto nila?
Depending on the po. Kasi yung pinaka-major consideration is how long yung construction ng booth. Yun lang yung medyo matagal-tagal. Oo.
Mga ganitong klase yung mga booth niya.
Yes po, nakita niyo napakaganda ng booth namin.
Ilang klase ba? Is it only this kind or do you have the bigger
For now, we have a 4 SQM na booth. But
4
we're-
SQ
Yes,
square meter.
Square meter
So
is-
2x2 yan.
Yes, and we're also exploring other options and possibilities of having an inline or counter.
Inline.
Yes.
Sa sa
Depende-
SM, something like
yes po,
that.
depende on the client's needs din.
I see.
And the location.
Ayan. So, yan. So, batiin mo ang mga taga Bacolod because, this one is global, sa Inspire Life Global. So,
Wow.
Inspire Life, of course, sa YouTube and of course sa Facebook. So, later on, of course, yung kanina nating vertical for TikTok natin. So,
Okay.
follow nyo lang po tayo sa Inspire Life Global, sa YouTube, Inspire Life Global TV. Ayan. So, kayo, baka meron
Thank you,
kayong...
Ma'am Julia.
Yeah.
Thank you for this opportunity to be
Yes.
part of your, naman. This is an advocacy of yours.
Of course. And I love Pad Thai. Yun.
That's why you approach us.
Yes, gusto ko siya. So,
Buti na lang nakita nyo kami dito.
Oo. And lahat naman tinutulungan natin kung kaya pa ng powers natin, di ba?
Thank you
Ayan.
talaga.
So, batiin mo lahat ng mga taga Bacolod in your dialect,
Ilonggo.
Ilonggo, yan.
Our dialect is called Hiligaynon.
Hiligaynon.
In Iloilo.
Yeah, Hiligaynon. Okay, sige ma'am, batiin mo
Sige,
sila
tatanan
and
yung
also
mga-
English. Kung gusto mo, Tagalog din. Pero mas maganda Hiligaynon. Sige ma'am.
Okay. So sa tanan yung mga taga Bacolod, we're inviting you, ginaibitar ka mo namon nga magkadto kang magtilaw sa Pad Thai. So wala pa nakatilaw, ay ma-describe ko siya nga explosion of flavors sa mga nagkakadto sa Thailand. I'm sure kabalugid ka mo nga namit kiti ang Pad Thai, but so far I can say that our Pad Thai is the best. Our Pad Thai is the best. So visit us sa SM Food Court, SM City Bacolod.
Oh, you already
Yes,
have.
we have in Lopez East food court also, and soon we'll be opening sa Shop House. So
Wow.
watch out for that.
So you already how many?
3.
Oh, 3. So all of them na sabi nyo naman.
Yes.
Ayan. So binabati din natin yung pinaka-chef natin. Wala siya
Yes,
dito.
oo, si Chef
So-
Mickey, she's kind of busy right now.
So,
on
maybe
behalf
next time
of,
I can
Chef
meet her.
Mickey, thank you so much, Ma'am Juliet, for this opportunity.
Yes po.
And for the exposure then, and so that we can be able to reach a lot of people. So wherever you are in the world, if you're interested, if you love Thai food, we're open for franchise. So we'll just give you our details at the end of this.
Yeah, give me the
the details. I'll just give to Ma'am Julie.
Yes.
So you can contact us through those numbers.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ma'am Sharon. Baka
Thank
meron kang
you.
gustong batiin mga kamag-anak mo, friends mo. Love you all.
Sige.
Ayan. Thank you.
Hello.
Ayan, mga last name nila, baka sabihin mo, baka makita ka nila, ma'am.
Sige. Sino ba? Well, mga taga-Bacolod, basta mga taga-Bacolod, hello sa inyo.
Ayan, masarap yung piyaya sa Bacolod
Yes,
at ang mangga sa Bacolod.
Yes, namatman.
Yes.
Ano ba? Piyaya?
Piyaya.
What else? Ang inasal. Don't forget
Of course, the inasal, the best.
Kaya
The
Bacolod is a
Bacolod
haven
people
of,
are the
masasarap na food.
people who really love to smile. Ayan, di ba? So, maraming salamat sa iyo, Ma'am Sharon. And this is Juliet Cruz from Inspire Life Global TV.
Thank you, Ma'am Juliet.
Ayan, thank you very much sa inyong lahat. God bless. Ayan, thank you.